deadline at 4 p.m. Hello, attorney.
Okay.
Yan.
Dito na lang sa ito.
Ano, nandyan yung ating phone o naiwan?
Ito.
Ayan na.
Dali na lang pa?
Oo, sige.
Sige, briefly lang kung
Yes.
sa tayo. Dahil hindi naman pwede pag-usapan yung
Yes,
pinag-usapan.
yun nga.
Oo.
So, it was okay, but it was a more emotional visit today, no? Since it's just the two of us now. I informed him of um, yung balita na all of my siblings are back home. Because of course they have to prioritize their jobs, and of course he understands because again you have to prioritize the country and the people and how they serve. So he was very understanding with it, and it went well. Ayun, madaming chikahan sa about family matters, and then to the point na sinabi niya na ang dami ng alam ng nakikinig dito. Tumawa lang ako. It was light. It was, well, magaan naman talaga siyang kausap. So it was light, but it was also very emotional because I'm only gonna be here for another 2 weeks before I go back and, continue with my education, with work, and with the other personal matters that I have to attend to. So he understood that also. And then I told him he told me kasi na it's okay if you're lonely, you just go home to your mama Hanilat and to Mira. But then I told him na, don't worry about me, I'm okay, my home is wherever you are. So, ayun, he smiled, he was happy to hear that. But he also reminded me that I do have to prioritize my responsibilities also because I have a life as a 21-year-old. And I said, yes, of course. In 2 weeks, I will be back home. And then the rotation of visits from the different family members will continue as usual. So, ayun, we are just hoping for good news.
So in 2 weeks time, when you leave, sino pong papalit?
We're not sure pa, attorney, kasi ayun nga. That's why I heard that he was, kaya medyo, kanina I mentioned that it was an emotional visit because the guard told me that he was waiting all day for us yesterday. And of course, I felt really guilty. I mean, yes, it was an honest miscommunication and just, the lack of organization with the arrangements namin sa DU. But he understood naman, and he said it's okay, this will not last forever. I am okay, do not worry about me. So, ayun, there has been a lot of miscommunication lang lately, but ayun, naayos na namin ngayon. That's why I was able to visit. And kagaya, at nakita nila kanina na late na naman ang konti. So, well, I had to explain to him also that my classes was until almost 7 a.m. this morning. So, I slept at 7 a.m., woke up at 12 p.m., and then I had to rush here. So,
Good naman na ina-allow kayo mag-allow.
for now, it's online talaga because of the situation in
The
the
rain.
Philippines,
The rain is loud.
Sanay, nila, bakit ganun yung, well, bahala na sila, I won't talk about it. But, ayun, all I can say that is he's good, he's healthy and thankful and happy that, he has family who loves him, and, ayun, sabi ko, see, you are so blessed with children and grandchildren like this. Kasi tingnan mo ngayon na matanda ka na ganito. Well, kasi it really does speak on his character as a father. Kaya kahit ang tanda niya na, kaming lahat, he'll drop anything and everything to be here with him. He's happy. He's okay. Tatay Digong is okay. I was worried, of course, but he looked okay. Hindi siya mukhang stressed. Parati siyang tulog, and ayun, kumakain naman as what I've heard from the visitors.
Namimiss niya masakin ni Coco.
Yes, ayun nga, sabi ko, sorry ha, hindi ako naka-crash course, hindi ako ganun kagaling. Pero sige lang, maybe before I leave, magmamasahe ako sa kanya. And so to make up for it, I just sang him a song before I left. And ayun, nakasmile na. So, ayun, that's all I can share because of course we want to abide by the rules and regulations of the EU para walang unwanted consequences.
Alam ba ni Tatay Digong na bawal na rin share yung
I don't think so, but he did ask if there were people, still people here, and I said yes. Everyone's waiting for you. It's been 5 months, but everyone's just waiting for you to come. So there's this never-ending love and support, not just to you, but to all the members of the family. So yeah, he wants to extend his gratitude and how blessed he feels to have you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Kasi yun, yun na nga eh.
Kitty, mag-ask lang ako, Kitty.
Yes.
Alam ba ni Tatay yung mga events namin dito? This
Yes,
coming
he does
19,
know
20,
of
and
it.
21?
Yes, he knows of it, and I told him na I'm not sure if I will be here for it, but I said that the people are continuing to show up every single time for it.
Thank
I have also a question.
Yes.
May mensahe ba si PRD sa mga kababayan na patuloy na sumusuporta at nagmamahal sa kanya?
Ayun, sabi niya, he is very grateful, no? He's very blessed to have, yung the people who support and love him and admire him and, look up to his work. That's why he always reminds his children and his grandchildren, no? Trabaho lang kayo. Be honest in your work. Just serve the people with your heart and you'll be fine. Keep up the good Duterte name and and the legacy, and ayun, okay na kayo. Just serve the people.
Salamat.
Hindi na tuloy yung bisita ni ano ba? Yung Vice Mayor Rigo?
Hindi na, ma'am, kasi I mean we are continuing to appeal pa, no, for it, pero wala pang confirmation eh, so parang waiting game pa.
But he's still here, Philippine.
Yes, he's still.
Salamat pa pala before din sa Bible verse. Kasi
Yes,
nag-ending
oo.
Romans 8.
Yun lang yung kabisado ko.
Talagang
Oo,
ina
so,
namin.
ayun.
Nawala na yung mga ano bang?
Log B, sige lang, mag-book na lang po sa...
Nawala ang Uber mo.
Alas na yun dito, sa gilid. Ah, siya ba yun? Oo. Picture na lang kaya tayo ito.
Halika, picture tayo.
Ito na rin.
Dali mag-Uber muna sa ulit.
Nawala, mga matanggali sa gilid ganyan.
Yun na pala yun.
Oo.
Sorry.
Okay lang. Okay lang, magpakuan.
Sa kanila mo ko kay Baluhog, sakto ba ni?
Sa shade.
Dali ka, dali ka.
Mo ko kay Balu, sakto.
Tingin lang ang picture.
Picture na lang to.
Picture na lang.
Actually,
Gang, dali tagang okay, landong gang. Picture na lang ka
actually
talaga.
Kitty, may nagpatanong sa mga fans. Anong gusto, ano yung favorite color mo daw? At saka favorite movie?
Favorite color, favorite movie. Favorite movie has always been Fallen.
Wallen by?
Fallen. It's like a movie, actually my books nun, no? Because I like the read. So, by Lauren Kate, and then they made it into a movie. So, basically, parang romance siya, but it was about a fallen angel and the human. So, yun
That's right.
for the movie. For the color, I can't really say, maybe black or red.
O palagi kang nagpa-black.
Yes. Nakakapayat nga. No? Kaya natin maging mataba.
Dapat pala mag-black ako, no?
Bagay sa akin na tumaba kasi maliit lang.
Saka maybe this is so early. Makikita ka ba namin sa big screen someday?
Big screen, what way? No,
Tupid
that's
ka
not
talaga.
my thing.
Mga comments lang nila kasi.
Ano,
Tanong mo kay Kitty.
I've never really thought of showbiz. I just wanna focus
Model
on my
na. Model
education.
na.
Ang model pang extra budget na para sa allowance, no?
Yes.
The reason why nakakalabas ako ng bahay na hindi nagpapaalam is because akin na talaga na pera. So, instead of asking permission, I just inform my parents, ma, pupunta ako ng ganito. Well, akin naman yung ginagastos
Sinishare ko
ko.
kasi palagi mga video ni Dr. Maker.
Yes.
Sinishare
Wait lang,
ko
dali lang.
Yung Uber niya.
Ay, mag-book ako ng iba, ma'am. Na-miss ko na si Doc Baker. Ang tagal na namin hindi nagkita. Sabi ko, pagbalik ko,
Totoo pala siya. Yung pala pangalan niya talaga, Dr. Baker.
Yes, Miguel Baker. Kasi I think he's half, no? So, kaya, gwapo si Doc. So,
Akala ko ano lang. Lokal pala siya, ha? Lokal.
he is very good with what he does, no? Kasi magaan yung kamay. Of course, you don't want someone with heavy hand all up in your face, di ba? Sakit naman.
Correct.
Sinishare ko kasi palagi. Tapos medyo choosy nga lang ako sinasabihan kasi ikaw na pinigyan sinishare ko. Actually si ano din, si Basti. Yung,
Yes. Part na siya ngayon.
oo, part of it.
Ganun niya na sa tatay namin. Actually, no, nagpagawa ako ng lips before. Kasi nagpagawa na ako ng ilong. Sabi ng papa ko, sabi niya, nagpa-ilong ka naman. Pwede, magtira ka na lang muna sa akin. Kasi kaya ayun, hanip-anigan yung lips kasi sabi niya, magtira ka naman lang sa akin. So, para lang may masaya siya, ganun. Kasi din, the other visit, I think the last visit with Compulong, sabi niya, uy, parang kamukha na tayo. Akala ko, ako yan. Akala niya, ako, ano daw. Syempre, kamukha na. Hindi ko na tinulo yung lips kasi nalulungkot siya pag hindi na kami kamukha. Parang feels,
Nakakuha ka ba ng bayad ng Uber uli?
yes.
Para talagang haharangin na natin.
Ay, bakit hindi mo na-confirm?
Haharangin natin talaga. I-confirm mo na.
Oo.
Pwede ko bang i-share yung street, yung makanta ka?
Ay, okay lang. Okay lang.
Tama sa nila na, oh.
Yes, oo. Ayun, I told PRRD of it also na, uy, kumanta ako ganito. Tapos,
What did you sing to him now?
ayun, yun pa rin. He wanted to hear the song, so I just sang it for
Which is, what's
Stay by Rihanna.
Sample
I
ba?
always,
Ang ganda kaya
hanapin
pakinggan.
nyo na lang ako sa kalsada ko. Pero, ayun.
Iba na kinarating talaga. Hindi na natin kilala ang Rihanna. Hi. Oh, gusto niya mag-picture na? Mag-picture na kayo. Sige, napasok ka. Oo. Oh, sige na. Picture na.
Agoy.
Sorry. Oh, ma'am.
I don't.
Unmet.
Di na ko. Ay, sumungan.
Sila mo na ha. Mga camera.
Hi, Mom and Nick. Shout out to you. I just want to thank you for the unwavering love and support. God bless you.
Magpasagot ko sa kusuon.
Ka na.
Birthday.
Jenny muna. Jenny.
Birthday.
2, 3. Wow, parang maganda. Puro magagandang may tao ah. Wow, ang gaganda.